Hi beautiful people, how are you all doing today? Welcome to my channel, and if today is your first time, please stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I am going to make this oilless chicken stew. If you're looking to cut down on your oil intake and frying, this stew is definitely for you. I will list full ingredients down below in the description box. I went ahead to blend my onion, garlic and ginger, and I'm adding that to my pan here. I have already prepped my chicken and I have grilled it. I did not fry it. So if you are going to be boiling your chicken or steaming your chicken, then you can go ahead and do that before you start your stew. This is the most easiest oilless stew ever. I am going to bring that to a boil on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to simmer it for about 40 minutes until the water has reduced and is thickened. And now I'm just adding my spices. You need a lot of seasoning for this stew for it to be very tasty, especially the way I'm making it. I am not going to be using any stock from the meat because I just grilled my soft chicken for this recipe. If you blend your onion, garlic and ginger with the tomato before you use it, I promise you will not even taste tomato in this stew at all. The onion will overshadow that taste. That's why I like to blend it if I am not using a stock. But if you're using a stock, then you don't have to do that. You can just dry fry your onion and do it that way. But I love making my stew this way because it tastes amazing. All the garlic, the ginger and the onion gives it such an amazing flavor, and also the onion have this sweet taste to it that takes the stew to another level. So after adding my chicken, I let it simmer for a few minutes, and I added some fresh onion as well, as you saw earlier, and I'm just letting it bubble up on medium low heat for about 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some diced green bell pepper. And that's it really. I don't want the bell pepper to be soft, so as soon as I add it in, I am just going to mix or stir that together, and that's the stew done really. Guys, this stew, I promise, is the easiest oilless stew ever, and it is so delicious. It's super delicious. And like I said, I'm going to list all the ingredients down below in the description box, so please have a look to see what I used. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, guys, please subscribe and support my channel. Share this video. This stew is so good if you're diabetic as well, and you should really be trying to avoid frying and too much oily stuff. So guys, I paired that with some cucumber, brown rice and sugar snap peas, and as you can see, everything looks so healthy and it was super delicious. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.